In this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy Dogecoin on the Binance app in just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. First, open the Binance app and log into your account. Once you are on the homepage, you will see the Binance icon on the top left. Tap on it to check if your account is verified. Having a verified Binance account is essential for buying Dogecoin. If your account isn't verified yet, complete the verification process before continuing. Tap the wallet option at the bottom of the app. Here, you'll see your available balance and any cryptocurrencies you already own. Make sure you have funds in your wallet such as USDT, which you'll use to buy Dogecoin. Go back to the homepage and use the search bar to look for Dogecoin. Type DOGE into the search bar and you'll see several trading pairs like Doge/USDT, Doge/USDC, or Doge/FDUSD. For this tutorial, we'll select Doge/USDT. On the trading page, tap the buy button. Make sure the buy tab is selected. Now choose the type of order you want to place. Here are two common options. Market order. This lets you buy Dogecoin at the current market price. Just type the amount of USDT you want to spend, like $50, and Binance will calculate how much Dogecoin you'll receive. Limit order. If you prefer to set a specific price for buying Dogecoin, you can choose this option. Enter the price and amount, and the order will execute when the market hits your target price. After entering the details, review your order and tap Buy Doge. If you have enough funds, your order will process right away. If not, you can explore other funding options like P2P trading or depositing crypto directly into your Binance wallet. And there you go. That's how you can buy Dogecoin in the Binance app quickly and easily.